Hi y'all, it's time to meet the babies. If y'all been hanging out with us, you know that we have some puppies and we have a new baby goat, but that's not all we have, so be sure you stay tuned to the end. But we're gonna meet all of our sweet baby animals today and show you a little bit about them.
All right, so these are our 8 puppies that Daisy had. They're just over a month old, so we would like to introduce you to them.
So, right here we have Pippin. He is the crazy one. He will get everybody riled up.
He loves to play.
He's the escape artist. He's gonna have coarser hair like his mommy, and yeah, he has a face shape more like his mom. This is Rosie, and she is going to look just like her mom.
She's going to act just like her mom as well. She's the instigator of all shenanigans and mischief.
But she's gonna be fluffy like her dad, and she has a Toby face, which is dad. This is Stella. She's a little girl. She's, we never had one this color before.
She looks like she spilled milk all the way down her front.
Yeah. She got little white toes. She's soft. She is really calm and really sweet. And right here we have Ellie, the twin sister of Sam.
The twin sister of all other 7 siblings.
Well,
she's the chill one.
She looks like
the
Sam.
oldest, so she's the chillest and the quietest and the stillest.
Yeah, this is the...
Is that inherent in oldest?
Yes.
She's really sweet though. So these are the puppies I have.
And I have the other 4.
Frodo.
This is Frodo, and if you did not know, we named all of these after hobbits, and we actually had to go look up girl hobbit names in Hobbit lore, because there's not really many mentioned, except for Rosie and Labella, and I did not want to name one of these little babies Labella. So this is Frodo. He's really super sweet. He's gotten kind of wiggly when he's up and around, but he's also like asleep the other half of the time. This is Mary, and yeah, Mary and Pippin. At first, we could not tell the difference between them. Pippin actually has a little white spot on his chest, and that's how we were telling the difference for a while, but it turns out Pippin's hair is coarse and Mary's is going to be fluffy. Mary also is a little less playful. He just wants a hug. If you go in there with the puppies, he'll just like come up to you and sit there. What are you doing? And wait for you to pet him. He just really wants to be held.
Hi.
Then this is Sam.
This is
Samwise.
This is the one Ellie looks like. They're best friends. They always sit together.
Michaela, all 8 of them sit together.
But these 2 sit next to each other all the time.
This is Samwise, and he is absolutely dramatic. I mean, he's not super wild and crazy, but if he is sad, he will tell you. He is whining and barking the most out of all of them, and it's really funny because we move them around a little bit because we have to clean out their cage periodically and swap out towels and things. If I move all of the puppies and he's the only one left in a certain area and he's all alone, he will start whining dramatically. Or if he flips himself over and is struggling to get back over, eventually he can't, but while he'll just be laying on his back crying. It's really sad, but also kind of really funny because he's just dramatic.
Oh no.
And then there's Pearl.
Oh, she got a Toby face.
Yeah, she has probably just the most babyest face out of all of them. She is a little white fluffy girl. It's actually kind of fun. We've never had a white girl before. We've had black spotted ones and a blonde one, but never a white one. So that's pretty fun. She is the sweet snuggly one. She wants warm space, and she wants to curl up and burrow under everyone until she is in the warm space under all of her siblings.
When they didn't have eyes, if they were in a pile, well, when their eyes were closed and they were in a pile, she would always, if she was on top, she'd always just burrow down under them. It was so funny.
She is a cuddle bug.
And this is the sweetest.
She's also trouble. All right, so if you have been tuned in, you will know that my goat Lily had her first baby. So this is Clove. She is an absolute sweetheart. And we just today set up this wooden platform for her to play on, and she loves it. So Lily and Clove are Nigerian dwarves, so you can see they're like really small. So Clove is just over a week old now. She was born last Thursday, and so now in a few days I will be able to start milking Lily, which will be really exciting. I'm so excited to start doing that and to start seeing what we can do with her milk. And it's just so awesome to have one of these babies here, because I am not kidding, I have wanted a baby goat for literal years. They are just so sweet and so much fun. So Clove has gotten pretty big in the past week, and she's so sweet. You can see she's got not as much moon spots as her mom, as much as just like blobs of color. I decided to name her Clove because that's kind of the color of these big brown splotches that are all over her. It is really cute though. They have the same little white spot on their heads and their ears. They have the exact same ears, and it is really cute. Also, Clove inherited her mama's blue eyes, which I was really excited about because those are so pretty. One of the things I learned when I was researching goats was that Nigerian dwarfs are the only dairy goat breed that has the blue eye genetic trait. There are no other dairy goats that actually have that genetic trait, which is really cool because they're so pretty, and I have them. All right, and now we're gonna let them meet for the first time.
Oh.
Hey, it's your baby cousin.
And that's not all we have, because I have 8 of these baby mottled cochins that we just hatched. They're so sweet and tiny and fluffy. One of my friends at church, Miss Janice, breeds cochins, and she gave me 11 little hatching eggs, and they've grown quite a bit since they were first hatched. They were really tiny. These are bantam breeds, so they won't get very big, but they'll get bigger than this. We have 2 other cochins. They're the same colors as these will be. Blossom and Bubbles are my 2. The show chickens I do are my silkies and also cochins, so this will be nice to have more cochins than just 2, since I have like 6 or 7 silkies.